Today we're covering 7 zero-carb, zero-sugar foods with no carbohydrates, no sugar that stabilize blood sugar, lower insulin, and help reverse diabetes, insulin resistance, inflammation, and chronic disease. Most people don't realize that the average person in the United States gets nearly 67% of daily calories from carbohydrates. To understand why carbs affect your health, you need to know there are 3 types of carbohydrates. 1. Sugar carbohydrates. Sugar, a carbohydrate, is found in foods like table sugar, honey, soda, fruit juice, candy, and pastries. 2. Fiber carbohydrates. Fiber carbohydrates come from foods like spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, chia seeds, and flax seeds. 3. Starch carbohydrates. Starch carbohydrates come from bread, pasta, rice, potatoes, oats, and breakfast cereals. Brain fuel myth. You'll often hear your brain needs sugar. That's not true. The brain can also run on ketones from fat. The 7 zero-carb, zero-sugar foods. 1. Pure fats. Pure fats like butter, ghee, olive oil, coconut oil, and cod liver oil have 0 carbs. 2. Meat. Beef, lamb, pork, chicken, and fish contain virtually 0 sugar and carbs. If this is helping you, hit the like button right now. 3. Organ meats. Organ meats like liver are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. 4. Eggs. Eggs are essentially 0 carb and loaded with brain-supporting nutrients. 5. Shellfish. Wild-caught shellfish, especially oysters, are loaded with zinc and selenium. 6. Raw cheese. Raw sheep or goat cheese provides calcium, protein, and vitamin K2. 7. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables like spinach, zucchini, cucumbers, and cauliflower won't spike blood sugar. When you remove refined sugar and starch, insulin drops, inflammation falls, and metabolic health improves. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones. Your support means the world to us, and don't forget to watch the next video on your screen. Until the next time, stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.